not do my chin strap. Fucking almost went out without the chin strap. Just fine. So yeah. So this is like a whole big ordeal. Hopefully I can get some wind. I'm dying over here. I should have been at work. Stay around. Should have been to work like probably like 17 minutes ago. So that means I'm probably going to be late for my IT meeting. I'm going to be in trouble. I mean, so there's a whole big thing. It's like, like when you get up in the morning, you just have like this plan of what you're going to do. First of all, I hate coming down Flatbush. I hate it. Why is there a line for the Apple Store? Like, seriously. What do you have to buy from the Apple Store right now? Is your phone, like, dead or something? I don't know what these people are doing. So, you know how you leave in the morning, you're like, oh, I have so much time to do everything. Second gear is pretty loose. What's going on? Bro, killing me. I hope I don't get any tickets. I don't need no tickets right now. It's just people drive silly. Anyways. Superior one. Ooh, what is this guy? He's got his nice little Rebel. I'm not even going to pretend I know what flag that is. Is it Guyana? I don't know. Something African. It looks cool. Yeah, I hear you, man. So those, anyways, I'm not going to get into that. Anyways. So basically, headed to work. I'm just trying to test out this audio situation. I'm trying to get some different views and perspectives. Then once I get everything as far as how I want it set up, I'll throw some vlogs out. I want to get something where the audio sounds like pretty crisp with the exhaust, but also I don't have any wind noise. I'll probably have to play with this GoPro Hero 8 a little bit more just because I just got it. And I'm not really familiar with some of the settings. I know there's like a noise reduction option, which is fine because I don't really need the audio from the GoPro 8 on my point POV. I need the audio from my GoPro Hero 4, which is there. And then I just like sync the audio up anyway. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh, shit. Dude, that didn't, I don't know if you saw that, but that, the dude with the Rebel just almost got killed. He was merging, and then, this other car, I guess, merged with him. And they just seemed like they were going to collide. It didn't look like a pretty situation, if you ask me. I'm sweating balls. I do have, does anyone else carry like a little, I carry like a little hand towel just to wipe my face down, because sometimes, I just want to wipe the sweat off, but then I continuously carry that wet sweat scarf with me all day. Does anyone else do that? Is that disgusting? I don't know. It's kind of like having carpet, right? It's like, what's going on here? I don't know why anyone double parks on a major avenue. Like, why is that even allowed? It should be like, you should get a fine. You should probably get a fine. Look at these guys. What are you doing? Like, you're telling me this supermarket didn't think of a plan where to unload groceries besides the main avenue. They could have like used that parking garage back there as a place to have people unload. Don't get me wrong. I know it's like stuff people need, but still, it's like people got places to go, like me. Oh yeah, I forgot this lane turns. Now this guy picks it up. You know, it's like when you ride behind someone for a while and they're like slow, 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 and then they're just like, oh yeah, I want to go fast now. It's like, why did you not go fast the entire time? Look at this idiot over here. He's got his blinkers on. He's not even turning. Oh, so annoying. Anyways, it's hot, motherfuckers. Trying to get inside. Yeah. See, I have a hand towel in my jacket. So here's my hand towel. Just wipe myself down. You know, it's like it's hot. And I know I could squid it or whatever. I've only went down once, and that was just like a drop situation, not really a accident situation. So it's just sometimes you don't want that heat. I mean, you don't want that sweat falling in your eyes, you know? Anyways, so if you have a hand towel in your jacket during the summertime, drop me a comment and say, dude, yeah, I totally have a hand towel or a towel of some sort to wipe my face when I'm hot, or even just like once you get off the bike, like this is a Bell Bullet, you know, and I'm gonna sweat regardless. To be surprisingly, I really think it's a combination of my jacket and it's a combination of the jacket and my backpack. Like Villamachi is already a heavy bag. I don't know what's going on here, why people aren't moving, but I'm definitely going in this lane. That one looks like it merges or something. Oh, it's only the top level. Okay, cool. So basically I think it's the combination of the jacket and the Villamachi backpack. And with those, it's like a pretty tight seal as far as, ventilation. And I just think I hate being behind things I can't see past. Even in a car, I feel that way. It's just too much. Oh, let me get some air. Come on, people. Give me some air. Give me some air. I don't like the Manhattan Bridge. It doesn't really put me where I need to be for work. But this is what we're going to do. Anyways, yeah. So I'm on my way to work. I don't really necessarily need to ride my motorcycle, but because I'm like just across the bridge, really. And then I'm down in the financial district. But I wanted to test out the audio. I wanted to test out this like setup of with the 2-in-1. And yes, I'm taking a precaution as not going over the double white line with this U-Haul going 36 miles an hour right now, which is probably the speed limit. I have no idea. It's 35. And, I could take them, but I'm like, I want to enjoy this nice cool breeze over the bridge because I'm sweating. So as I was saying, yeah, it's not even him. It's like another truck in front of a truck that's causing it to slow down. So basically, yeah, I think it's the Villamachi, the jacket. It's like this little fucking bubble seal right here. And it just makes you hot, So if I didn't have the backpack, obviously, nothing's on my back, so the ventilation will be a lot better. I'd be good, but I think obviously because of those two things is why my top half gets really warm when I'm not moving. And then the helmet of the Bell, anyone who owns a Bell Bullet, we all know it's fucking hot as balls in this helmet, especially during the summertime. There's no ventilation whatsoever. You kind of just have to open up the visor. I'm thinking about maybe doing some goggles. But let me know how that looks. I feel like you need a Bell Moto. I forget the actual name of that motorcycle helmet, but it's like the Bell. It's like an off-road-ish helmet. You can wear goggles with them. I have some glasses that I wear, like the shadowproof glasses for riding. So if I get pulled over or anything like that, I could just let the officers know that I have this protective glass, and that will let like a ton of airflow in for the summertime. But I feel like that's just asking for people to pull you over. Like it looks like regular glasses. I feel like more than likely you would just get pulled over just for like questioning. Oh, it's still in there.